right back into, that's a purl, that one is a knit, and that is a purl. The last three at the back side of that heel. Yours may be different, that's just what mine are. So I've got that cast back on. As you can see, we have 5 rows done exactly like you did the ones prior to the cast off. So 5 rows of single rib stitch on the back. Follow your collars on the front. After those 5 rows, you just do 25 rows. If you like the same cuff link as mine, you do 25 rows of the same texture you do on the front where you have your collars. I am using green and purple. Yeah, for this one, I had to look because I switched my collars up. For this one, I'm using green and purple. So I'll work my 5 rows rib stitching on the back. Keep going with my design on the front, and then 25 rows of the design all the way around. Then we got 10 rows single rib stitch all the way around. You get all that done, and I'll show you the cast off.